Good morning, and let's look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade today. So we'll firstly start with Tata Motors. Now, Tata Motors global wholesale numbers have increased by 37% on a quarter-on-quarter basis and 1% on a year-on-year basis. The total number is at 2.78 lakh units, which is in quarter 3 FY21. So surely we're going to keep an eye out on Tata Motors, especially yesterday also the stock was buzzing after the JLR retail sales numbers had come in. So let's keep an eye out today as well what Tata Motors actually does in trade. Moving on to Bharti Airtel, the company has received an approval for its relevant downstream investments and accordingly the company is initiating the process to revise the foreign investment limits as notified by the depositors to 100% with immediate effect. So very interesting fact for Bharti Airtel. Let's keep an eye out on what Bharti Airtel actually does in trade. Moving on to HeroMoto. Now the company has an expansion plan and expanded its presence further in Central America. The company has appointed a new distributor partner, which is Nicaragua and Honduras in Central America. So they're further expanding their business. HeroMoto is planning to launch a range of premium motorcycles in both the countries and expand its network further. So surely the expansion plan is something that is going forward and it's seeming to be quite strong for HeroMoto. Moving on to something that will be focused on the back of its earnings, it's Tata Elxsi, which is the results of Q3 were quite a good set of numbers. They were above the street estimates, and looking at the revenue, they're up by 10.9% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. The revenue came in at 477 crore versus 430 crores, which was in the previous quarter. So very good set of numbers over there. The profitability also was up by 33.5% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. So all in all, a good set of numbers, and surely we may see some positive move coming in over there. Also, we do have SBI, which will be in focus. SBI is one of the most talked about stocks in the PSU space, where most of these brokerage firms are quite positive on the stock. Now, Goldman Sachs has maintained a buy stance in the company with a target price of 383 rupees per share. They said that obviously SBI is one of the attractive picks. They expect a 36% upside potential for SBI, even despite the rally that we've seen in the last 5 months. Despite that, they expect a 36% upside for SBI. They see a lot of value creation coming in from the digital space for the company. So a very attractive space. The balance sheet is quite strong and they find it very attractive, and that is why they're maintaining their buy stance on the company. Also, let's not forget stocks like Infosys and Wipro, which are posting their earnings, will surely be in focus today, and big IT major companies posting their numbers. So let's keep an eye out. TCS surely posted a good set of numbers. We'll have to keep an eye out on how Infosys and Wipro actually turn out. Also, Bharat Rasayan is one of the other stocks on the back of buyback, which could be in focus. So let's keep an eye on all these other stocks as well.